Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to create a really nice fall look for you. I ended up digging into the Carnival palette by Stacey Marie. If you guys do not have that palette, you need to buy it. It is one of my favorites. The color selection is phenomenal. You can't go wrong. I'm not sure what I'm going to call this look just yet. It kind of reminds me of mint ice cream and grapes, and it's not really the greatest of combinations, but I like mint ice cream and I like grapes, so here we are. So if you guys want to see how I created this look right here, then just keep watching. Okay, to prep the eye, we are going in with P. Louise base in the shade Rumor. Next, I'm going in with the Carnival palette. I'm going to be using the shade Fade, and I'm going to blend that right in my crease. Next, I'm taking the shade Vex and smoking that out in my crease. Wanting to add a little bit more depth in my crease, I'm now going in with the shade Lights Out. As you can see guys, I'm using very minimal of this product. A little goes a long way. Going in with the shade Reckless, I'm starting from the deep part of my crease and blending upward. So here's where the blending really kicks in. I'm going in with the shade Slow Burn, and I'm placing that above my crease, and I'm smoking out the shade Reckless. Going back in to add a bit more depth, I'm using the shade Reckless and blending the two colors together. Now taking the shade Slow Burn and blending up towards my brow bone. Now going in with a Q-tip and some remover, I am cleaning off my eyelid so I can have a blank canvas to work on. So going back in with the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor, I'm going to cut my crease. So just like we built up the crease, I'm going to go in and build up my outer corner. I'm using the shade Intuition to start. Now I'm filling in the cut crease with the shade Peppermint. Going back into the outer corner, I'm going in with the shade Persuasion. Next, going in with the shade Influence, I'm blending that out into the middle of my lid. Wanting to add a bit more depth on my outer lid, I'm going back in with the shade Persuasion. With that shade, I'm just using my brush to flick it on. This helps to give me a really beautiful blend. I wanted a little bit more pop in my outer crease, so I'm going in with the shade Temptation. Just taking excess color of that peppermint shade and really blending everything together so we have a very seamless finish. Time to do a little dance, guys, because you frickin' made it through that blending process. I hope you guys truly enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to subscribe. Ciao, darlings.